this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and I'm going to show you how to create this card with the Leaves of Holly bundle. For this card, I stamped on the white and then embossed. So I'm gonna stamp the holly leaves and the berries all over the card. So I started with Mossy Meadow, and I stamped the large leaf first. And then the small leaf. Now I'm going to stamp the berries in real red first. So real red. And then I'm gonna stamp the shadows over top. Now I'm going to use the Merry Melody embossing folder, and there is an up and a down. So let's see here. So the bottom is the top of the music. So I'm going to place this in here like this. So we've got, actually I want more music there. So I'm gonna go like that. And then I'm going to use the number 4 plate, which is for our 3D embossing folders. All right, now I'm going to add some of the fun little pieces from the dies. So I have this sentiment, or this label here, and then this piece goes behind it. So we're gonna put some glue on that. For the rest of these, I have put self-adhesive sheets on the back. So these are gonna be really easy to put on. I'm just gonna peel off the backing and make sure all the pieces are out, and then I will stick them on. I'm going to stamp Season's Greetings for the sentiment. So I'm going to use the label from the die set to cut out the sentiments. Okay, now to put the card together, I'm just going to use some dimensionals to stick on the sentiment. And then I'm going to pop up the sentiment as well. On the original card, I cut off the ring or the outline, but this one I'm just going to keep. And we'll see how it goes. It's kind of hard to pop up. All right, so we're gonna center that. And then we're gonna add some of these leaves. So I'm gonna trim some of them off. I think this one's gonna come over here like this. And we'll have one over here. And one down here. Then I'm going to add some of these textural elements. And I'm just going to trim off the bottom of these as well, just to make it easier. Okay, and then a couple of last touches. I'm just gonna add a bow and a couple of rhinestones. And now I'm just going to add a bow right here, and we have our finished card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit. I know that the dies are not available until the end of December, so I will cut out all the die pieces for you if you just purchase the stamp set to be able to stamp the leaves and berries. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial using the Leaves of Holly bundle, part of the Boughs of Holly suite. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment on my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you catch all of my videos and live videos by clicking on the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.